This is Joe Lawnmower Man, and of course, you know, I'm gonna do another commercial that is unmonetized, and I'm not getting paid a dime for it. But I'm gonna cut down this bush using not only no other than my Creona razor tooth RS7265. This little saw here can take down this bush right there. Client wants me to remove this bush from this property, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm using this to cut it down so I can load up into the old trusty van. Yes. Now, I'm gonna prove to you that this saw works on this. Let me set you up here. One of these days, like I've been saying for the last million times, I'm gonna get a tripod, but I'll set you up right over here. You see me? Probably not very good, but okay, I'm gonna use the saw here, and it's gonna cut down this moss, this branch right here. This is cut. Using my left hand, look at that, and it cut down these over here. All these right here cut down, but let's see, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to cut this branch right here. See this right here? We're going to use this with my left hand. Okay. In fact, I'll cut it right over here. Oops. Yep, see? Just cut it right here. But, okay, this one right here is still attached, so let's go. Here we go. Using my left hand, I'll hold it with my right hand. Okay, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna use my left hand to hold the phone, the right hand. So get that on quick now. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. They cut this right here. Alright. This is Joe Lawnmower Man. And I'll give you an after shot. Hopefully when I get done with this job. But okay, let me load these trees up to my van and I'll get back right with you. Okay, bye.